I'm just going to show you how to change out these compression locks that are in all the Coast Accessors and Ranger brands. So what we're going to do is undo that one screw, take the plate off, drop the old lock out, undo the screw, come straight up underneath, plate back on, and insert the screw. It's okay to do it up with a 12 volt, but definitely don't use an 18 volt, just use a 12 or by hand only. And we've actually gone through now and adjusted all the nuts so the tailpiece sits at exactly the right height. Push it straight in, and you want a good seal there, and turn the key around, and that's locked.